6. It is Allah's will to make things clear to you, guide you in the noble ways of those before you, and turn you in mercy. For Allah is all-knowing, all-wise. 2:7. It is Allah's will to turn you in grace, and those who follow their desires to wish to see you deviate entirely from Allah's way. 28. And it is Allah's will to lighten your burdens, for humankind was created weak. 2:9. O believers, do not devour one another's wealth illegally, but rather trade by mutual consent, and do not kill each other's or yourselves. Surely Allah is ever merciful to you. 3:0. And whoever does this sinfully and unjustly will burn them in fire. We will burn them in the fire. That is easy for Allah. 3:1. If you avoid the major sins forbidden to you, we will absolve you of your lesser misdeeds and admit you into a piece of honor. 3:2. And do not carve what Allah has given some of you over others. Men will be rewarded according to their deeds, and women equally according to theirs. Rather ask Allah for His bounty. Surely Allah has perfect knowledge of all things. And we have appointed heirs to what has been left by parents and next of kin. As for those who have made a pledge to give them their share, surely Allah is a witness over all things. 4.34. Men are the caretakers of women, as men have been provisioned by Allah over women and tasked with supporting them financially, and righteous women are devotedly obedient, and when alone protective of what Allah has entrusted with them with. And if you sense ill conduct from your women, advise them first. If they persist, do not share their beds. But if they still persist, then discipline them gently. But if they change their ways, do not be unjust to them. Surely Allah is most high, all great. 3:5. If you anticipate a split between them, appoint a mediator from his family and from heirs. If they desire reconciliation, Allah will restore harmony between them. Surely Allah is all-knowing, all-wise, all-ever. 3:6. Worship Allah alone and associate none with Him, and be kind to parents, relatives, orphans, the poor, near and distant neighbors, close friends, needy, travelers, and those bondspeople in your possession. Surely Allah does not like whoever is arrogant, boastful. 3:7. Those who are stingy promote stinginess among people and withhold Allah's bounties. We prepared for the disbelievers a humiliating punishment. 4.38. Likewise, for those who spend their wealth to show off and do not believe in Allah or the last day, and whoever takes Satan as an associate, what an evil associate they have. 4.39. What harm could have come to them if they had believed in Allah and the last day and donated from what Allah has provided them, and Allah has perfect knowledge of them. 40. Indeed, Allah never wrongs anyone, even by atom's weight. But if it is a good deed, He will multiply it many times over and will give a reward out of His grace. 4.1. So how will it be when we bring a witness from every faith community and bring you, O Prophet, a witness against yours, as a witness against yours? 4.2. On that day, who denied Allah and disobeyed the messenger will wish they reduced to dust, and they will never be able to hide anything from Allah. O believers, do not approach prayer while intoxicated until you are aware of what you say, nor in a state of full impurity, unless you merely pass through the mosque until you have bathed. But if you are ill or on a journey or have relieved yourself or been intimate with your wives and cannot find water, then purify yourselves with clean earth, wiping your faces, hands, and Allah is ever pardoning, all forgiving. 4.44. Have you, O Prophet, not seen those who were given a portion of scriptures, yet trade it for misguidance and wish to see you deviate from the right path? 4.5. Allah knows best who your enemies are, and Allah is sufficient as a guardian, and He is sufficient as a helper. 4.6. Some Jews take words out of context and say, we listen and we disobey. Here, may you ever hear, and Raina heard us, playing with words and discrediting the faith. Had they said courteously, we hear and obey, listen to us, and unjurna, tend to us, it would have been better for them and more proper. Allah has condemned them for their disbelief, so they do not believe except for a few. 4.7. You were given, O you who were given the book, believe in what we have revealed, confirming your own scriptures, before we wipe out your faces, turning them backwards, or we condemn the defiant we did to the Sabbath breakers, and Allah's command is always executed. 4.8. Indeed, Allah does not forgive associating others with Him in worship, but forgives anything else of whoever He wills. And whoever associates others with Allah has indeed committed a grave sin. 4.9. Have you, O Prophet, not seen those who falsely elevate themselves? It is Allah who elevates whoever He wills, and none will be wronged, even by the width of thread of a dead stone. 5.0. See how they fabricate lies against Allah. This alone is a violent sin.